Everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 22 December Friday 2023. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 1, number 21, number 31, number 41, number 42, number 44. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 1, number 21, number 31, number 42, number 41, number 44. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 6, number 9, number 10, number 20, number 30, number 40. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 6, number 9, number 10, number 20, number 30, number 40. Now lunchtime booster balls numbers: number 21 or number 15 or number 37 or number 39. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 21, number 15, number 37, number 39. Today tea time prediction for 22 December Friday 2023. Today tea time single prediction numbers: number 6, number 7, number 22, number 33, number 41, number 43. Today tea time single prediction number repeat: number 6, number 7, number 22, number 33, number 41, number 43. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 14, number 25, number 36, number 43, number 44, number 49. Today tea time second prediction number repeat: number 14, number 25, number 36, number 43, number 44, number 49. Now tea time booster balls numbers: number 22 or number 34 or number 38 or number 41. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat: number 22, number 34, number 38, number 41. So friends, complete today tea time and lunchtime prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please